Today, human communication and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new online entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. However, virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is a completely clever idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an unquestionable record of proprietorship, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to join an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, fabricate, and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better enabled to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their property. The Authority virtual entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with forthcoming occasion. A thorough information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and thus the data on this computer-generated experience stage is no problem at all. Decentraland, establishing the groundwork. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Malik with CEO James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.50 up in financing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca brands, Lyft VC, Texture Adventures, Beginning One Capital, Crucial Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's designers have taken an exceptionally smart and light-gave way to deal with building the game's essential layers. New undertakings and organizations in the cryptographic money market are as of now in progress to make this computerized world a complex and connecting with substitute reality, which will probably become universal and habit-forming. Afterward, the Mana coin set apart till the finish of October, and afterward it recorded a sharp climb which took the Decentraland cost above $3.50. From that point onward, the money kept on exchanging with critical bullishness. In the last November, Decentraland denoted another unequaled high of $5.90. In any case, subsequent to hitting another ATH, the Mana cost confronted critical remedy which took the Decentraland cost around the $2 mark. From that point onward, the cost of Decentraland recovers its cost level around $3 mark. The greater part of the computerized coin costs have been reflecting huge unpredictability, and there is a high gamble in crypto exchanging during unstable periods. Our proposal to the dealers is to carry out their own groundwork, market conjecture prior to exchanging to limit the gamble in question. Very much like numerous digital currencies, the Mana crypto can be bought through digital money trades like Binance and Huobi worldwide. Going by the specialized examination, Decentraland cost has had a notable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its notoriety as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47, with a 24 HRS exchanging volume of $1,231,753, with a flowing Mana supply of 1,832,129,198 Mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. The specialist's Mana cost examination and Decentraland Mana value forecast should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value expectation of $5.30. This Mana gauge addresses a move of 86% this year. In like manner, while the feeling encompassing the Mana crypto has been profoundly negative previously, the wallet financial backer expresses that Mana is supposed to offer 450% return for money invested by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The Mana cost is determined to reach $3.39 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost expectation. As per Decentraland Cost Forecast 2022, the normal greatest exchanging cost is $3.43. The base exchanging cost of Mana tokens is $2.33 in 1 year. The Decentraland for the finish of 2022 is $3.45. As per our Mana crypto expectation, the coin could fill triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have an unmistakable bulk on around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise speculation. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per the new long-haul conjectures, Decentraland cost will hit above $4.54 toward the finish of 2022, $6.50 toward the finish of 2023, and $12.82 toward the finish of 2026, which will make Mana a wise interest from now on. Defeating all obstacles, Mana is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition, drawing in a significant financial backer local area outperforming all assumptions concerning generally speaking development. The Decentraland cost expectations for coming years is recorded underneath. Decentraland value expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, Decentraland token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive Mana gauge and future market capitalization, the street ahead is brimming with petals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling above $4.80 in the market of the crypto. According to our fair-minded crypto estimate for the year 2022 Decentraland Mana cost expectation, as per the ongoing value pattern and gauge, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire huge benefit from here on out. Decentraland gauge by specialists proposes contributing at the ongoing value level might give impressive revisitations of merchants in the close to term, and they would have the option to pursue a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As indicated by the cost expectation for Mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.10 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.80 by the December. Market examiners conjecture the Mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of composing. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Decentraland has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In light of our Decentraland cost figures, these highlights can help the Mana token addition a lot more exorbitant cost of $6.70 in 2023. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many gauges proceeding for Decentraland, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on. There are not many Decentraland gauge that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. Decentraland is likewise dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the Symbolic's future development as far as various elements like costs, volume, redesigns, and so on, taking into account they keep up force earning a critical market capitalization. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and developments. According to Decentraland cost expectation, Mana token might cost to a calculable degree of $10 post conquering the mental opposition level as its drawn-out cost in 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn positive, in 2026 Mana, a computerized resource, is set to break all obstructions and perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Mana would most likely give indications of fortune for its clients according to our fair crypto estimate. As per the future cost expectation, according to the Decentraland cost patterns and authentic information, the Decentraland cost may effortlessly contact $12.50 before the year's over 2026. Mana Coin Value Forecast 2030. According to Decentraland cost examination by specialists, the